Washington is now the second state in the nation to crack down on dangerous driving with a new law targeting so-called super speeders. Just this afternoon, Governor Bob Ferguson signed that legislation in Olympia, a move that paves the way for speed limiting technology inside vehicles. KREM 2's Rican Gallo has been digging into the details of this bill and tells us what some drivers can expect.
Well, the group behind this bill, Safe Street for Families, tells me that this will allow anti-speeding technology right inside your vehicle to prevent dangerous speeds and curb fatal collisions.
The numbers tell a sad story. The Washington Traffic Safety Commission reports fatal crashes involving speeding drivers increased by nearly 40% between 2019 and 2023.
Intelligent speed assistant devices for drivers who are found guilty of driving in a dangerous manner.
This new legislation allows intelligence-assisted technology placed in vehicles will monitor the driver's speed and prohibit the vehicle from going over the local speed limit. Those behind the law tell me that this is for drivers that already have reckless driving records and are nearing the suspension of their license.
This legislation was inspired by a crash where 4 individuals, including 3 children, were killed when their car was struck by a driver going 112 miles per hour.
As summer season is known for construction season, we asked local officials from the Washington Department of Transportation how this law will keep streets safer.
I don't think people realize how close our crews are working to the side of the road when people are going 60, 70 miles an hour. I mean, sometimes it's a foot, it's inches, and people going 60, 70 miles an hour, you know, if they're an inch to the right and they hit that work zone, that could be somebody's life.
WashDOT reports over the years they have had over 60 employees killed in work zone collisions, prompting that safe speed on roadways is essential, especially as WashDOT staff is working to improve safety for the public.
Any reason we can give the public to slow down, whether it be in a work zone or just following the posted speed limit, we're going to reiterate that message.
Washington now is the second state to enact this type of legislation, following Virginia, and Georgia is just a few weeks behind, all in the efforts to create safer streets. I'm reporting here in Spokane, Rican Gallo, KREM 2 News.